Good day to all. Today we are going to see about a problem with the 2D CST element. So we are going to find out stresses with respect to x, y and shear stress, sigma 1, sigma 2 and principal angle. For plane stress condition, for that we have availability of material, Young's modulus 210 into 10 power 3, Poisson's ratio 0.25 and thickness 10 mm. So the displacement is also given, u1 v1, u2 v2, u3 v3 is also given. So we have to find out the stresses sigma x, sigma y, tau xy, sigma 1 and sigma 2 theta p. Okay, so we have a formula sigma equal to d into b into u. So this is the formula in which we are going to substitute all the values. For plane stress condition, we are going to use this formula, that is d equal to E divided by 1 minus mu square and 1 mu 0 mu 1 0 0 0 1 minus mu by 2. For plane strain we have to use this formula. The same problem can be asked for plane strain also. Substitute all the values for d and find out the final matrix. So here I have taken 0.25 also outside and reduced the values. So I have got some final values here. So that is the final D matrix. Now strain displacement matrix, we know already the formula for strain displacement CST matrix, CST element, that is B equal to this formula. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q3 can be found out by using these formulas. Q1, Q2, Q3 and R1, R2, R3 can be found out by using these formulas. And A is area of the triangle element. So that can be easily found out by using this formula. Area of the triangle. These are all the things already we have discussed. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 can be taken from the given diagram of CST element. That is coordinate of nodal point 1, 2 and 3. We know that sigma equal to d into b into u. So first let us multiply d into b. D matrix have been written and B matrix is also written. So I am going to multiply these two matrix 3 cross 3 into 3 cross 6 matrix. If you multiply this, you will get the final matrix of 3 cross 6. We can easily do it with your engineering calculator. Check out my previous videos how to do the matrix multiplication for 3 cross 6 into 6 cross 3. You can easily find out. For sigma, so dB value substituted, displacement vector is given from the formula u1 v1, u2 v2 and u3 v3, that is given in the formula. Substitute these values and multiply with 3 cross 6 into 6 cross 1, you will get the 3 cross 1 matrix. So that is sigma x, sigma y and tau xy. And so this is the formula for finding out the maximum and minimum principal stresses. Sigma 1, 2 is equal to sigma x plus y by 2 plus or minus, you have to note it down. And theta p can be found out by using tan 2 theta p is equal to 2 tau xy divided by sigma x minus sigma y. From this you can find out theta p. The final values for sigma 1, sigma 2 and theta p is written like this. Okay, so plus or minus, if you choose plus means it will give you sigma 1, if you choose minus means it will give you sigma 2. Thank you very much. If it is very helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.